Welcome to a kitchen revolution. Imagine cooking with tools that not only make your life easier, but also add a touch of style and innovation to your culinary space. Today, we're diving into the world of exclusive kitchen gadgets that you won't want to miss. From smart appliances to clever utensils, these Amazon finds are about to transform the way you cook, serve, and enjoy your meals. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Let's explore the top 13 must-have gadgets that are as functional as they are fabulous. The NX Kansu Cabinet Shelf Expandable Height Adjustable Organizer Riser. This versatile shelf is a true space saver, designed to optimize your kitchen, bathroom, or office storage with ease. What makes it stand out? It's fully expandable and height adjustable, meaning you can customize its dimensions to perfectly fit your space. Need more room for plates, bowls, or spices? Simply extend the width from 13.8 inches to a full 24.8 inches and choose between 3 height settings to maximize your storage potential. Made from durable 1mm metal and capable of holding up to 50 pounds, this organizer is built to last. Whether under the sink in a cupboard or on your countertop, it brings both functionality and style to any room. Easy to assemble in just 2 minutes, it's a practical addition to any home looking for smart, efficient storage solutions. The Cat by Parchment Paper Roll for baking. A must-have for anyone who loves to bake. This heavy-duty parchment paper is designed for all your cooking needs, offering superior strength with its extra thick 45 GSM paper, about 12% thicker than the average parchment. Measuring 15 inches by 210 feet, this roll is perfect for lining baking trays, wrapping food, or even crafting with high heat. Thanks to its non-stick, two-sided silicone coating, your cookies, bread, and pastries will slide right off without leaving a trace. Made from 100% natural wood pulp and free from fluorescent chemicals, it ensures your baking is both safe and healthy. Plus, the convenient packaging includes a sturdy cutter, allowing you to easily tear off the exact size you need every time. Whether you're using it in the oven, air fryer, or microwave, this versatile parchment paper will quickly become your go-to kitchen essential. The Dowan 9x13 ceramic baking dish, a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and entertain. This large and deep lasagna pan with a capacity of 4.2 quarts is perfect for everything from hearty casseroles to savory roasts. Made from lead-free, pro-grade ceramic, this dish is built to last and can withstand temperatures up to 500 deg without cracking. It's oven, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making it incredibly versatile for all your cooking needs. The double-handled design ensures easy transport from the oven to your table, while the smooth glaze makes cleanup a breeze. With its timeless white finish, this dish not only performs beautifully but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen and dining table. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting guests, the Dowan baking dish is the perfect companion for delicious homemade meals and makes an excellent gift for any occasion. The JoyServe deli food containers with 54 lids, the ultimate solution for your food storage needs. This bulk pack includes 48 sets of round plastic containers in 2 convenient sizes minus 24 sets of 32 Oz quart-sized and 24 sets of 16 Oz pint-sized containers, all with matching lids that fit perfectly across both sizes. Made from BPA-free, food-safe polypropylene, these containers are designed to withstand both hot and cold temperatures, making them ideal for meal prep, storing leftovers, and even freezing soups or stocks. Plus, they're microwave, freezer, and top-rack dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're catering, packing lunch, or organizing small items around your home, these containers offer durability, convenience, and great value for your money. Lightweight, reusable, and disposable, they're a must-have for any kitchen looking for reliable, versatile storage solutions. The Cat Bite Unbleached Parchment Paper Roll, an essential kitchen companion offering both quality and convenience. Measuring 15 inches by 242 feet, this heavy-duty parchment paper provides a generous 300 square feet of non-stick, heat-resistant surface for all your baking and cooking needs. The included serrated cutter allows you to easily tear off the perfect amount, whether you're lining a baking sheet or wrapping food for storage. Made from 100% natural wood pulp and free from fluorescent agents, this unbleached parchment paper is a healthier, eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. It's thicker than regular parchment, ensuring it can handle everything from delicate cookies to hearty roasts without tearing or sticking. Oven safe up to 425 deg. It's versatile enough for use in microwaves, freezers, and air fryers. With its non-stick surface, food slides off easily, making cleanup a breeze and leaving your pans ready for the next culinary adventure. Durable, natural, and incredibly versatile, the Cat by Parchment Paper Roll is a must-have for any kitchen. The Cook Standard 14-inch by 12-inch stainless steel roaster with rack, a robust and reliable kitchen tool perfect for your roasting needs. This roaster is crafted from heavy-gauge stainless steel, ensuring even heat conduction and long-lasting durability. Measuring 14 inches by 12 inches, it fits comfortably in most convection ovens with a depth of 3 inches to accommodate various dishes. The V-shaped stainless steel rack promotes even browning and faster cooking, while also allowing for easy collection of liquids and fats. This roaster is oven safe up to 500 deg and features a flat bottom, making it versatile for multiple cooking methods. The riveted stainless stainless steel handles offer a secure grip, making it easy to transfer from oven to table. Although it is not induction compatible, it works well on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen stovetops and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The WDF 120 PCS plastic party plates in white with a silver rim stand out as an elegant and practical choice for any event. This durable combo pack includes 60 dinner plates measuring 10.25 inches and 60 salad or dessert plates measuring 7.5 inches, all made from sturdy and reusable plastic. The plates are designed to hold a variety of foods without scratching or breaking, making them ideal for serving appetizers, wedding cakes, salads, desserts, and more. Their elegant appearance is perfect for special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries, or even for holiday gatherings. Despite their sophisticated look, these plates offer the convenience of easy cleanup. Simply dispose of them after use or wash them by hand for future events. However, they are not microwave or dishwasher safe. WDF also provides excellent customer service, ensuring you're satisfied with your purchase. The CYDW Mason Jar Opener Tool is a versatile and durable kitchen gadget that excels in opening mason jars, bottles, and tumblers with ease. Crafted from stainless steel, this manual handheld tool ensures no lid dents or damage, making it perfect for those who wish to reuse their canning jar lids. The soft touch handle and intuitive design make it an excellent choice for individuals with diminished hand strength, including seniors with arthritis. This vintage-style opener adds a nostalgic charm to your kitchen while offering practical functionality. It's easy to clean, store, and built to last a lifetime. Available in multiple colors, this tool comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, ensuring a risk-free purchase. The Nervure 175 PCS Blue and Gold Plastic Plate Set is a sophisticated and convenient dining solution for parties and weddings. These blue plates, adorned with elegant gold rims, add a touch of class to any event. Made from 100% food-grade plastic, they provide a premium look and feel while being durable enough for your dining needs. The set caters to 25 guests and includes dinner plates, dessert plates, plastic cutlery, napkins, and cups, offering everything required for a stylish and hassle-free dining experience. Although intended for single use, these plates can be easily cleaned for reuse, making them both practical and cost-effective. The convenience of disposable plates, combined with their elegant design, ensures that cleanup is effortless, allowing you to enjoy your event without worrying about the dishes. The Sacadir Under Sink Mat is a versatile and practical solution for protecting your bathroom or kitchen cabinets. Measuring 22x19, this silicone mat is designed to fit standard under sink areas and prevent damage from leaks, spills, and stains with its raised edges. It helps maintain a clean and hygienic space while being easy to clean with just a damp cloth. Beyond its protective function, the mat can also be used as a storage organizer, fridge liner, or shelf liner. It's available in various colors and sizes. It accommodates different cabinet types, ensuring durability and protection. If you need assistance, Sacadir offers customer support to help with any inquiries. The FoodSaver heavy-duty vacuum seal rolls offer robust food storage solutions with their enhanced durability and versatility. Each pack includes 6 8x 20-foot rolls designed to be 30% thicker than standard FoodSaver bags, providing superior resistance to leaks, punctures, and tears. These rolls help extend food freshness up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods and are perfect for freezer, fridge, pantry storage, and sous vide cooking. Made from BPA-free material, they are safe for microwave use and compatible with all FoodSaver appliances, excluding handheld vacuum sealers. The rolls allow for custom-sized bags, catering to various food items and storage needs. The Acor Birthday Gift Basket Set is a thoughtfully curated present perfect for celebrating special occasions. Designed for women and teen girls, this unique set features a 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler with a straw and cleaning brush, a handmade happy birthday, scented candle, a rose-scented bath ball, and a 3D birthday card. Ideal for birthdays ranging from 16th to 30th, this set is perfect for daughters, sisters, friends, or anyone who deserves a special treat. Packaged in a high-quality gift basket box, it's ready for giving without the need for repackaging. The set's exclusive design and attention to detail ensure a memorable and delightful birthday experience. The Pure Living Interior Design 26.0 Oz Large Soup Bowl set includes 8 elegant dark petrol blue ceramic bowls, perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your table. Each bowl is crafted from high-quality stoneware with a fired, glazed, and scratch-resistant finish, ensuring both style and durability. These bowls are microwave and dishwasher safe, offering convenience alongside their chic design. Ideal for cereal, soup, salad, or snacks. This versatile set enhances your daily dining experience and makes a stunning impression for special occasions. Explore the Pure Living collection for additional dinnerware items to complete your ideal table setting. And there you have it, the top 13 exclusive kitchen gadgets from Amazon.com, each one a game changer in its own right. Whether you're a culinary expert or just love spending time in the kitchen, these tools are sure to inspire your next meal and make cooking more enjoyable. So why wait? Give your kitchen the upgrade it deserves. If you found something you love, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome kitchen finds. Share your favorite gadget in the comments below, and until next time, happy cooking.